Are you a camping aficionado who is always on the lookout for the latest and greatest outdoor gear? Well, prepare to have your explorer's heart racing. In the next few minutes, we're diving into the top 11 camping gear available on Amazon that are absolute game changers. Why choose between reliability and innovation when you can have both? From the freedom to drink from any river to the bliss of starry nights without the pestering buzz of mosquitoes, we've got revolutionary products that promise to make your next wilderness adventure the best one yet. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter is a tool designed for hiking, camping, travel, and emergency preparedness. It effectively removes more than 99.9% of waterborne bacteria, including E. coli and Salmonella, and over 99.9% of parasites like Giardia. It also filters out microplastics as small as 1 micron and reduces cloudiness in water. Verified through extensive testing, this filter can clean up to 4,000 liters of water, providing safe drinking water with proper use. Plus, each purchase helps supply a schoolchild with safe water for a year. It's made without harmful chemicals. From prepping firewood to clearing a trail, the REXBETI Folding Saw is your reliable partner. Its durable blade, made of high-quality SK5 steel, measures 11 inches, ideally cutting branches around 6 to 7 inches in diameter. The saw features an aggressive staggered teeth design, ensuring ultra-smooth and sharp sawing. Its long design and rubber-coated polymer handle offer a firm grip in any weather condition, making it an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Elevate your campfire experience with the INNO Stage Smokeless Fire Pit. It features a unique double-wall construction that improves airflow and combustion, significantly reducing smoke production so you won't have smoky clothes or fabric damage from sparks. This fire pit is easy to assemble with its 2-part structure and includes a bottom tray for convenient ash disposal once cool. Made from durable, heat-resistant metal, it comes with a waterproof carrying bag for easy transport. No assembly is required, making it perfect for any outdoor adventure. Transition from day to night effortlessly with the LENCE camping tent. Its dimensions are 83.8 inches long by 59.8 inches wide by 48 inches high, offering a comfortable space. The tent features 190 TPU material that provides excellent water resistance up to 1,000 mAh and great protection against UV rays. It includes a rainfly for extra weather protection. With a large mesh section and D-shaped doors, ventilation is enhanced, keeping the interior cool and comfortable. The tent is equipped with 9 iron pegs and 4 ropes, ensuring it stands stable even in windy conditions. It's also easy to set up in 15 minutes or less, thanks to its design with 2 shock cord connecting poles. LENCE offers a no-risk purchase with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a lifetime warranty. Gear up for the journey with the Venture Pal hiking backpack. It features spacious compartments with several pockets to keep your items organized. With adjustable shoulder straps for comfort, it's made of water-resistant material to protect your belongings. This backpack is foldable for easy storage, making it a convenient option for day trips or extended adventures. It seeks to offer comfort, durability, and practicality for outdoor enthusiasts. Bridge the gap between necessity and convenience with the RAK Hammer Multitool. With 12 functions, including a hammer, pliers, knife, saw, wire cutter, prying claw, nail file, bottle opener, and screwdrivers, it's a brilliant gift idea for individuals who enjoy practical, multi-purpose tools. It's crafted from hardened stainless steel and features a safety lock for accident prevention. Despite its array of features, its compact design makes it ideal for travel, fitting comfortably in a suitcase or backpack. Alive in the great outdoors with the BLAVOR solar charger power bank. It features a wireless charger and a high-capacity battery that can charge an iPhone more than 3 times. It's designed with the latest charging technology, supports fast charging, and is capable of charging 3 devices at once. Built with premium flame-retardant materials, it's also water and shock-proof, making it durable for any adventure. The charger includes a bright flashlight and compass, enhancing safety during outdoor activities. BLAVOR is known for its high-quality solar power banks and excellent customer service. Create a home away from home with the BeyondHOME Instant Cabin Tent. It offers room for a queen-size bed and extra space for gear. The tent is weather-resistant, with sealed seams for protection against rain. Its design includes 4 windows, a door, and a top, all made of mesh for airflow and scenic outdoor views. With a peak height allowing you to stand upright and a rainfly for added protection, it's the perfect companion for comfortable camping. Drift into relaxation with the portable double hammock from Sunyear. It's lightweight and compact, fitting neatly in an elegant pouch with all tools included for setup. The hammock, made of durable parachute nylon, offers a comfortable sleep space outside. Its design includes a high-density net for mosquito protection. It comes with easy setup straps and carabiners for quick installation between trees. The package doubles as a relaxing tree hammock, delivering versatility for your outdoor adventure. Fully refundable with a lifetime guarantee. Light up your campsite with the versatile Lighting Ever LED camping lantern. Its diverse modes and durable design ensure you have the perfect ambiance and reliability, no matter the weather. It can also serve as a power bank, thanks to its built-in 2600 mAh battery, allowing you to charge your smartphone or other devices in emergencies. This lantern features 5 adjustable lighting modes, including 2 levels of brightness and a red light in both steady and flashing options. Durable and water-resistant, it's ideal for various outdoor activities and even in rainy weather. Equipped with a handle and 2 hooks, it's convenient for carrying and hanging, making it a versatile choice for camping, hiking, and emergency situations. Sink into comfort wherever you are with the AlphaCamp Oversized Camping Folding Chair. Combining durability with comfort, this chair adds a touch of home to every outdoor adventure. Made from 100% Oxford fabric, this large chair has dimensions that provide ample space to relax. Its heavy-duty steel frame supports up to 450 pounds, ensuring stability and longevity. The chair features a soft padded seat, back, and armrests for maximum comfort. Additionally, it comes with a mesh cup holder, a side storage pocket for small items, and a cooler bag to keep drinks cold. It's both easy to fold and carry, making it perfect for various outdoor settings, from garden lounging to camping adventures. And there you have it, folks, our comprehensive rundown of the top 11 camping gear you can snag off Amazon to elevate your wilderness adventure. Whether you're a solo wanderer or a family of explorers, these products cater to every need, blending innovation with the rugged reliability required to tackle the great outdoors. Remember, preparation is key to a successful adventure, and with gear like this, you're not just prepared, you're set for an unforgettable journey. Don't forget to check out the links below for more information on each product, and make sure to snag them before your next trip. Subscribe for more content like this if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Share your thoughts and your go-to camping gear in the comments section below. Safe travels and happy camping. Until next time, keep exploring and stay adventurous.